key length for this is in fact, well, we got two keys that are as long as the block size, and we got one key that's as long as the key size, so the total is 184 bits. Now, it turns out actually the best attack that's known is actually an attack that takes time 2 to the 120, and it's actually fairly simple. So it's a generic attack on EX. It will always take time, basically block size plus the key size, and it's a simple homework problem for you to try to figure out this attack. I think this is a good exercise. Okay, in fact, there's some analysis to show that there is no exhaustive search attack on this type of construction. So it's a fine construction against exhaustive search, but there are more subtle attacks on DES that we'll talk about in the next segment that basically this construction will not prevent. One thing that I want to point out, unfortunately I found this mistake in a number of products, is if you just decide to XOR on the outside, or if you just decide to XOR on the inside, as opposed to XORing on both sides, which is what DesX does. You notice DesX XORs both on the outside and on the inside. If you just do one of them, then basically this construction does nothing to secure your cipher. It'll still be as vulnerable to exhaustive search as the original block cipher E. Okay, so this is another homework problem, and actually you'll see that as part of our homeworks. Okay, so this basically concludes our discussion of exhaustive search attacks, and next we'll talk about more sophisticated attacks on DES.